to do whatever the hell they want. Love to spit in the face of the police as the police are standing up there in uniform. They're standing and they're screaming at them an inch away from their face. And then they start spitting in their face. And I said, you tell them, you spit and we hit. And they can hit real hard. It's a disgusting thing. I've watched that for years, for 3-4 years. I've watched them. The police are standing, and they're told, don't do anything under any such. So and you can see they want to get at it. And they're standing there, and people are spitting in their face, and they're not allowed to do anything. But now they are allowed to do whatever the hell they want. This dire public safety crisis stems directly from the abject failures of the city's local leadership. The radical left city council adopted no cash bail. By the way, every place in the country where you have no cash bail is a disaster. That's what started the problem in New York, and they don't change it. They don't want to change it. That's what started it in Chicago. I mean, bad politicians started it, bad leadership started it, but that was the one thing that's central, no cash bail. Somebody murders somebody and they're out on no cash bail before the day is out. We're going to end that in Chicago. We're going to change the statute. I spoke with Pam and Todd and everybody. We're going to change the statute, and I'm going to have to get the Republicans to vote because the Democrats are weak on crime.
I think that we highly appreciated it in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Palestinian Authority, Palestinian Liberation Organization. This is something that we really highly appreciated it, and we really highly appreciated that many of them, not only those parliamentarians, but still there is other tens of parliamentarians is used to show support and solidarity with the Palestinians.
Asim Munir is Osama bin Laden in a suit. The fact of the matter is, there is no amount of concession that can be given to Pakistan that is going to change the ideology of Asim Munir or the Pakistani elite which he represents. This is why I'm saying that Pakistan is playing a very dangerous game. And while it may sound radical, the fact that Pakistan is now threatening half the world with nuclear weapons, it's threatening to blow up Indian dams and so forth, is an indication that Pakistan has lost its right to be a legitimate state on the international stage. It's time for the United States, if not under Donald Trump, then in future administrations, to consider other policies, whether the region would be more stable, for example, if the United States recognized Baluchistan, if it recognized other regions of Pakistan, and if Pakistan were allowed to collapse, because in reality, Pakistan is already a failed state held together with Band-Aids. And the fact is that if we do not manage its decline, Asim Munir is right. It could cause a nuclear war. What the lesson we should draw from Asim Munir's comments in Tampa, Florida, is that Pakistan is teetering, Pakistan is failing, and it needs to have international intervention for a managed decline. Just like SEAL Team 6 entered Pakistan to take out Osama bin Laden, it's coming near time when in a future administration, other SEAL teams should enter Pakistan to secure its nuclear weapons because the alternative is simply too great to bear.
Bana. Bana. जी मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हैं और नितिन गडकरी जी का घर हमारे लिए खुला हुआ है हर दफ़ा जाने के लिए। CR पाटिल जी मेरे खास नहीं तो अच्छे अच्छे रिलेशंस हैं। अनुराग ठाकुर, रोहन गुप्ता, ये लोग तो आधे तो हमारे कांग्रेस से आए हैं। रोहन गुप्ता मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, ही वॉज नेशनल स्पोक्स पर्सन। अनिल एंथनी इज़ अ डियर फ्रेंड। तो हाफ ऑफ इट इज़ अहमद पटेल बीजेपी। ये जोक बन गया है कि बीजेपी में AP इज़ BJP। There are enough leaders who are Papa's close to Papa. They've all gone. हार्दिक पटेल। तो लोग अगर इस पार्टी में गुस्सा होते हैं, उनको चांस नहीं मिलता है, तो वो क्या करें?
स्ट्री डॉग्स रास्तों में होते हैं, वो अपने मन से नहीं होते हैं। आज हम फेलियर सबसे ज्यादा दिल्ली म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का रहा है। उनको सही टाइम पे न्यूटर कर दें, उनके लिए जगह बनाएं, व्यवस्था बनाएं। आज आपने सारा का सारा दोष स्ट्रे डॉग्स पे मर दिया है। ठीक है, उनकी भी, लोगों की भी घटनाएं ऐसी सामने आई हैं जहां पे उनको काटा गया है, पर आज परिस्थिति इस हाल पे क्यों पहुंची? क्योंकि एक नाकाम म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन और एक नाकाम देश की संस्था जिन्होंने उनको इस पे मजबूर कर दिया है, वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि रास्तों पे रहें। उनकी अगर सही टाइम पे न्यूट्रिंग हो, उनके लिए सही व्यवस्था हो, तो शायद आप रास्ते में नहीं पाए जाएं। तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, मैं कोई डिसऑनर नहीं करना चाहूंगी, और लोगों की सही में तकलीफें हुई हैं स्ट्रे डॉग्स के मैनेज को लेकर, पर कहीं ना कहीं जब तक व्यवस्था नहीं है तब तक आप ये इस तरीके का ऑर्डर कहां से दे देते हैं? अकाउंटेबल जिसको करना चाहिए था, उनको अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं तय कर सारा स्ट्रे डॉग्स के ऊपर कि हमारी आंखों के सामने से इनको हटा दीजिए, शेल्टर होम्स भेज दीजिए। शेल्टर होम्स कहाँ हैं? कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट से माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट से पूछे कि कहां से ये सही है। लेट्स बी, आई एम अ डॉग लवर, आई हैव अ डॉग एट होम, माई ओन सिस्टर रन्स एन NGO फॉर स्ट्रे डॉग्स एंड स्ट्रे एनिमल्स। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं उन लोगों को भी क्षति पहुंचा रहा है जो बोल नहीं सकते हैं, जो जीव हम पर डिपेंड।
Bhutto threatened to India day before yesterday. The Asif Munir also threatened to India. How do you see the entire development?
I think that we should not take any of these things seriously. Anyone can go around saying anything. We are a big country. We are the fourth largest economic, nation in the world. We are an economic powerhouse. We are a reservoir for human talent for the world. We have cutting-edge technologies. We are a stable destination for investments, and all of these countries, all of these people who are making statements from failed states, I don't think we need to take cognizance. We are responding too much to unnecessary provocations that have absolutely no.
सांसद इलेक्शन कमीशन से मिलना चाहता है और इलेक्शन कमीशन डरा हुआ है कि कहीं सच्चाई न बाहर।
नहीं, मन में मैल है इलेक्शन कमीशन के, और जब मन में मैल होती है तो जगह भी कम पड़ जाती है। उसी इलेक्शन कमीशन में हमने 250 की मीटिंग एक साथ की।
आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज UNI।
Well-on Finance is a personal finance platform focused on empowering and serving millennials to take a well-informed decision while buying a financial product like home loan, car loan, business loan, personal loan, SME loans, insurance, etc. For further details, contact us.
न्यूज UNI हम Jio TV, बाबा,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम
रॉक TV, और प्ले ऑन TV पर उपलब्ध हैं।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम।
अधिक अपडेट के लिए YouTube और Facebook पर फॉलो करें।
साल में एक
It'll have to take its course. I mean, I think that there is a certain procedure. I don't think that one has to make any comments now. The decision has been made to constitute an impeachment committee. They'll have to look into all the evidence and come to a conclusion. I'm not making any preconceived statements.
A lady in Thrissur is saying that 9 votes have been added to her address without her knowledge, and that Thrissur is the alone seat where the BJP has won.
Well, this will need to be looked into. I think it's very important that the Election Commission address all of these discrepancies. I've mentioned this yesterday as well. It is in the Election Commission's own interest and in the credibility of our democracy that these misgivings, doubts and concerns should be addressed forthwith and frankly in a spirit of sincerity and transparency. I really hope the Election Commission does this.
No notice from Congress that whether they
are in their own world. आप समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? कांग्रेस की खुद की दुनिया चल रही है, उनको खुद समझ नहीं आता कहाँ जाएं, कैसे जाएं, but that's what BJP is all about. They just want to have full control and they've shut down every other political party from Aam Aadmi Party. सब लोग डरे हुए हैं, but राहुल जी एक निडर है. He's fearless and he's fighting.
You all have seen, we tried to go and talk to the Election Commission over the table. We were doing a friendly protest and a march towards the Election Commission, but the BJP is using police force to detain us. It has detained almost 300 MPs of the opposition party. It is totally undemocratic. Yesterday you have seen our leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, also say that we are peacefully protesting. We are trying to protect one man, one vote. But obviously the BJP is unable to digest. Today also we have come up with another campaign to enlighten the minds of the common man. There is a person called Minita Devi, who's aged 124 years old. She's a young woman, but she's aged 124 in the electoral process. This is the kind of scam that is going on. It's a complete game that is going on, a scam that is being run by the Election Commission. It is not acceptable. We are fighting for the common man's vote right. And also important to mention, according to the Constitution 324, where the committee is there to elect the election commissioner, the committee was amended and changed. The CJI was removed from this parliamentary body, and it is the cabinet ministers have been inducted. So now the Prime Minister, the cabinet ministers and the LOP are in the new body instead of the CJI as earlier envisioned. So these changes are all adding to the suspicion and adding to the doubt, and we as opposition parties, member of parliaments, we are trying to enlighten the voter. What is the scam that is going on and how we are trying to protect the vote right of the common.
बहुत सारी सीट्स हैं, सिर्फ एक सीट नहीं है, बहुत सारी सीट्स हैं. ये नेशनल लेवल पे किया जा रहा है, सिस्टमैटिकली किया जा रहा है. इलेक्शन कमीशन जानता है, हम जानते हैं. पहले सबूत नहीं था, अब क्लियरली सबूत है, और हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा कर रहे हैं. वन मैन वन वोट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का फाउंडेशन है, और इलेक्शन कमीशन की ड्यूटी है कि वो वन मैन वन वोट इन्फोर्स करें, और उन्होंने नहीं किया है, उन्होंने अपनी ड्यूटी नहीं की. तो हम सिर्फ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उसकी रक्षा कर रहे हैं, संविधान की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, और हम करते रहेंगे, हम रुकेंगे नहीं.
सर, आप बिहार जा रहे हैं 17 तारीख से. 124
सुना है
124 साल की मामला सामने आया. फर्स्ट टाइम 24 साल की उम्र है, और फर्स्ट टाइम
मिंटा देवी सुना है मैंने. ऐसे तो बहुत अनलिमिटेड केसेस हैं. अभी पिक्चर बात.
The message which the United States is sending is that we are not a worthy ally. Under Donald Trump in his second term, the United States has become Canada on steroids. The fact of the matter is, there is absolutely no excuse for tolerating such language, such threats, such nuclear rogue behavior, especially on American soil. You know, within 30 minutes of when Asim Munir made those comments, he should have been ushered out, taken to Tampa International Airport, and flown out of the United States to the Bahamas, to Cuba, anywhere, and the Pakistanis could pick them up from.
I believe that there has been, and this has been happening since the 60s, 70s, Naveen ji. Manipulate voting होती रहती है.
कांग्रेस में करती थी.
मैं नहीं, ये मैं कॉमेंट नहीं करूँगा. I don't think, no, Congress would never do that.
60s से तो सर वो थे ही पावर में.
देखिए वो पुराना ज़माना था, and I don't think anybody in the Congress manipulates votes. I can explain to you how it works if you would like to hear. When you control the entire state machinery, right, for elections, there is manipulation. I do believe there's a flaw in the your voting EVMs. Anything which is connected to the net, you can hack into. And जैसे और वो एक बात है, tampering वहाँ पर ज़रूर होती है. फिर when you are controlling the entire diaspora of the election commission, I'm talking about the police, I'm talking about the bureaucrats, I'm talking about election commission, आप 30-40 seats आराम से आप manipulate कर सकते हैं. And that's enough to change the vote back. I won't comment anything more about this.
But that's a very serious allegation. 30-40 seats.
I'm a pure Indian Democrat. I'm a citizen of the country. This is not right. Which country in the world, आप बताइए, has EVMs? आप बताइए.
There are a lot of countries.
There are not many countries. There are not many countries. You can please check your facts. Everybody uses normal voting system, including the US. Why? Why? You can answer me that question.
Maybe, but EVM is not brought by this government.
It does not matter. It does not matter. No, it does not matter. There are issues with the EVM, and
that is introduced by
Mr. Sam Pitroda. Mr. Sam Pitroda and me are very close, and we have spoken about all the. We know exactly how the EVMs are manipulated.
No, but tell me one thing: when Election Commission asks to prove, nobody is able to prove.
Why is that?
So that's what I'm. So how will you how will people believe?
Rahul ji अभी क्या कर रहे हैं?
But that is not an EVM fault. He is doing something else.
Yes, he hasn't touched upon the EVM because that's old story now. But EVMs is also a problem, and he's speaking about new voters coming in.
So you also demand ballot now?
I demand ballot from the beginning. Yes, it should be a overall haul. Who cares if we spend a few $1 billion in extra for every election? We must go back to ballot.
अरे कहाँ कोट पान की जरूरत करते भाई?
कभी पाकिस्तान के अवाम के अगेंस्ट में हमारा कुछ कहना नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान के अवाम जो है वो युद्ध नहीं चाहते हैं, अच्छे लोग हैं सब. लेकिन अगर ऐसी बातें करते रहेंगे तो फिर खोपड़ी सनक गई तो फिर दूसरा हो जाएगा ना. फिर एक ब्रह्मस चला तो दूसरा ब्रह्मस चलेगा. और अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो हमने सोचा एक डैम बनाएंगे और 140 करोड़ आदमी उधर पेशाब करेगा, फिर डैम खोल देगा, कोई गोली नहीं चलेगी, सुनामी आ जाएगा.
न्यूक्लियर हमले का भी थ्रेट कर रहे हैं.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ सुनामी आ जाएगा. चलो थैंक यू सर. इसके लिए माफी चाहता हूँ मैं पाकिस्तान के अवाम के साथ. उनके साथ हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं, लेकिन ये बात सिर्फ मैंने उनके लिए कहा.
बिहार का दुर्भाग्य है और आप देख रहे हैं लगातार जो है कई वोटर्स का जो है नाम जो है कटा हुआ है और कई लोगों के पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है और कितने बिहार के लोग जो है बाहर जो है गए हुए हैं जो बिहार में ही वोट डालते हैं. तो ये तो एक पूरी तरीके से एक षड्यंत्र है भाजपा का और भाजपा इलेक्शन कमीशन को आगे करके अपना काम करवा रहा है. जो काम भाजपा खुद से नहीं कर सकती वही काम जो है इलेक्शन कमीशन से कराया जा रहा है. ज़रूरत बिहार को स्पेशल पैकेज की थी, स्पेशल स्टेटस की थी ताकि बिहार जो है आगे बढ़े, बिहार की तरक्की हो. लेकिन जिस हिसाब से SIR कराया जा रहा है, SIR का कोई विरोध नहीं किया है. जो प्रक्रिया जो की गई है उस पर जो है विरोध किया गया. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा डिप्टी CM जो है उन्होंने तो खुद ही इलेक्शन कमीशन पे थोप दिया. सारे मामला वो अपने आप को नापाक समझते हैं। उन्होंने कोई गलती नहीं की, तो गलती किसकी है? यहाँ तो इलेक्शन कमीशन की है, तो उन्होंने सारा जो है इलेक्शन कमीशन पे फोड़।
यहाँ पे हम लोग पाकिस्तान के साथ गेम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, ये दूसरी नीति नहीं चलेगी। शिवसेना का ये क्लियर स्टैंड है कि जैसे बाला साहब ठाकरे ने उस टाइम में करा था, शिवसेना के प्रमुख बाला साहब ठाकरे ने कहा था कि शिवसेना कभी भी ऐसा कोई गेम हमारा देश में होने नहीं देगी, और तब के पिच भी उखाड़ने का काम शिवसैनिकों ने किया था और गेम नहीं हुए थे। हम यही
Today, there was also a report from the intelligence and military command on what Putin is counting on and what he is actually preparing for, including military preparations. He is definitely not preparing for a ceasefire or an end to the war. Putin is determined only to present a meeting with America as his personal victory and then continue acting exactly as before, applying the same pressure on Ukraine as before. So far, there is no indication whatsoever that the Russians have received signals to prepare for a post-war situation. On the contrary, they are moving their troops and forces in such a way as to launch new offensive operations. If someone is preparing for peace, this is not what he does. We continue to keep our partners informed about the real situation on the battlefield, in diplomacy, and in Russia's planning of further actions. Today, Indian Prime Minister Modi and I discussed in great detail the possibilities for influencing Russia's position. I remember how the Prime Minister of India has said more than once that our time is not a time for war. And real steps are needed to make this a reality. Peace is needed. Tomorrow will also be a day of our active communication with partners. At all levels, we continue to engage with the United States of America.
अभी आपने देखा यूएस का एक इशू चल रहा है टैरिफ को लेकर, इसकी हैंडलिंग 50% टैरिफ लगा दिया
सब चीज़ पे। यस,
तो आपको इस पर क्या कहना है?
तो देखिए, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जी एक ही इज़ अ पॉपुलर प्रेसिडेंट डिस्पाइट व्हाटएवर पीपल से आउटसाइड इंडिया. He has won the second time, and he's come with a clean record. But yes, there are issues with him. I think he's थोड़ा बुजुर्ग भी हो गए हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं और क्या करते हैं उसमें गड़बड़ है. But yes, this 50% tariff is very difficult for our country. It's a very.
Since you are also dealing with pharma, that will.
Yes, all sectors are going to get hit. All sectors are going to get hit, and we are looking at.
Do you question the handling of India also on this?
I don't think so. I think Modi ji and Jaishankar ji and leaders are doing the best they can, and I think we should be able to get out of this problem. But the main problems stay in our country, which is red tape, unemployment. I'm a big believer in universal healthcare. I'm a big believer in universal basic income. ये और constitutionally backed institutions, they are not being taken care of correctly. They should be in a bit better hands and more democratic.
I believe it's a larger hit for sure. Prior to 1st April, we were sitting at a negligible zero duty structure as compared to what tariffs has done. Today, it has reached to a 50% price point, which will eventually impact the consumer of USA, which will eventually impact the sales, and I'm sure it is a big hit for companies like us. I hope we get a new resolution soon or some changes in this particular domain very, very soon.
How it's impacting?
So basically, the amount of exports that we were supposed to do to our clients who are sitting in US, they were supposed to buy X amount of goods, and now they have to buy it at almost a 1.5x the cost, which will eventually be passed to the consumer. Now the product is becoming more and more expensive for the consumer to adopt, which will lower down the consumption, which is going to eventually impact the business, the whole chain, supply chain. That's a major impact for us.
Okay, so in your recent tweet, you mentioned about despite the hit, you are looking for the new markets, you're supporting Prime Minister Modi's stand. If you could just put a small light on it, what exactly you're trying to say?
So basically, what I actually meant is there are so many more bigger markets in the world where electric bikes are also consumed. And of course, in the earlier strategy, we used to largely focus on US as a market, but because it is one of the biggest countries in terms of consumption of this particular product. Now, as a strategy, we'll have to diverge from US and look at different other markets also, which includes Europe, Australia, Japan, and different other economies.
आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ UNI।
ठीक है, हम लोग अभी आ रहे हैं।
राजनीति के राज जनता तक पहुंचाना आसान नहीं है। खबरें के बाजार में बिना तमाशे के सच दिखाना आसान नहीं है, लेकिन अब सब कुछ होगा आसान। हम हैं न्यूज UNI।
न्यूज UNI हम जियो टीवी, ई बाबा,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम
रॉक टीवी, और प्ले ऑन टीवी पर उपलब्ध हैं।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम
अधिक अपडेट के लिए YouTube और Facebook पर फॉलो करें।
साल में एक
आपका मनपसंद चैनल न्यूज UNI अब आ रहा है जियो टीवी पर भी। चैनल नंबर 3003। उसके साथ अब हम उपलब्ध हैं OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर, जैसे रॉक टीवी, जिंगर टीवी, प्ले ऑन टीवी, ई वावा, D2H लाइव टीवी, वर्ल्ड टीवी, नेक्सा GTV HD, TV HD1, गूगली टीवी, स्टार ऑन टीवी, FTV, सॉलिड टीवी बॉक्स, क्रिक स्टार, रोज न्यूज, चाणक्य वर्ल्ड टीवी। इसके अलावा हम आपके साथ जुड़े रहेंगे सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पर, जो है हमारे फेसबुक UNI न्यूज हिंदी, UNI न्यूज बांग्ला, उसके साथ लिंक्डइन और इंस्टाग्राम पर भी। यही नहीं, इसके अलावा हम आपके साथ जुड़े रहेंगे यूट्यूब के माध्यम से भी।